The 8th edition of the Emirates Classic Car Festival in Dubai was held in March 2016. Cars in Dubai, that is something very special. On the Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard, leading miles around the Burji Kalifa, the highest tower in the world, car fans showed the visitors in the street cafes what they have. Along the Mohammed bin Rashid Boulevard at Dubai's modern downtown, with its restaurants and lounges, snow-white tents with vintage cars are lining up along the wide walkways. After 4 days, more than 37,000 visitors have seen the Emirates Classic Car Festival. 400 vintage and collector vehicles had participated in this year's event, which is organized by the real estate company Emirates. The international jury was at the award ceremony on the red carpet. During the Classic Awards ceremony, the classics are rolling along the red carpet and receive their awards. Best in Show 2016 was the Mercedes-Benz 170 convertible.
Under the glitter and under the lights here in downtown Dubai, and underneath the Burji Kalifa, the Mercedes-Benz winning the Best in Show Awards for 2016. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please. Please give them a round of applause. Congratulations. And the Best in Show going to the Mercedes-Benz. Congratulations.